Hey, how's it going, Geklings? It's Gecko back with a YouTube video, and yeah, before you ask, no, I've not got my mic connected, and no, I haven't got my bloody webcam on because I can't be arsed, and plus I'm live streaming on Mixer right now. So today I've been having, I've got some friends, thank you for 640, anyway, I've had some friends ask me, how I can, thank you, my dude, how you can, give yourself, hearts in that bit. Yeah. So I'll show you how to do it. So let's start. Let's just search my channel up. Okay. I believe it will work for both phone and these sort of thing, a laptop. It's just more fun, or not for us, easier for me. Yeah. So what you do. You go and type in chat, and you put this button here, and you do this. All one word, you say give hearts, just like this right here. Exactly like that. At the person you want to give it to, so we'll give it Upcast Brute, and the number. Now the number has to be together, so you can't go one, boom, 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 boom. You can't do that, alright? You can't do that. You'll actually have to do 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what you'd have to do. Let's say we want to give them 25,000. So boom, 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 and you press enter, and up here it says heart successfully granted. And let's see what one's most got about, and I'll show you. I'll show you the cool thing about it. Okay. So give me 2 ticks. Again, we'll do it again. That's whisper. Alright, give hearts at. We'll give it to Scott this time, and we'll give him 200,000. 200. Boom. And now we'll show it. Boom. Now it is at level 48. So that is how you give yourself hearts. So I hope this video helped, and I hope I hope it helped. See you later, guys.